Dispatcher Ridge Road, telephone for house fire. 124 Hoover Drive between Malden Street and West Ridge Road. 253, 252, 257, 250, and 2C35. Dispatcher Ridge Road, telephone for the house on fire. 124 Hoover Drive between Malden Street and West Ridge Road. 253, 252, 70, and 2C35. 5-3, you're on the way. I got multiple calls on it. 257, dispatcher 2C35. 50, you're on the way. Dispatcher 2C35. 2C35. See the rest of the assignment.
Okay, thank you, sir. Let me know, David.
Type in 254 in Barnard.
53's on location. Got a house fully involved. Be advised of the vacate.
5-3, you're on scene. Vacant house fully involved. Let me get 253 in Barnard to the scene.
254 or 256 around.
254 and 256, man. Dispatcher Ridge Road monitors. Mutual assistance Barnard and engine. Not working fire. 124 Hoover Drive between Malden Street and West Ridge Road. Ridge Road monitors and Barnard need an engine to the scene. Not working fire. 124 Hoover Drive between Malden Street and West Ridge Road. Barnard.
We're going to pick up that plug on the corner coming in.
2 on scene, plug in the corner.
Okay. There's 275 on the way.
275 on the way.
235 on location. Got a working fire. Summon command. A side of the building.
235 on scene, declaring the working fire. Command the A side of the building.
254 on location. Over Washington. 235. What do you need? Come on. I'm going to get you the layout. 5-3, get 5-4. So do you want us to lay out? There's that one plug in front of the school right there. 254, get layout. Okay. If you want to leave us right in the front here. Yep. 250. 250. And get prepared for a ladder pipe operation. 235 to dispatch.
235.
Just give me a warble tone of the announcement. This is a defensive operation only.
Company's working the Hoover Drive assignment. Will be a defensive operation only for 2C35.
23. Well read. No.
23 and 226, okay.
5-4, go ahead. You want to put the quit in the daycare parking lot? We got wires in front of us. Each fire district on the air with a fill request in the Ridge Road Fire District. 4522 respond, one engine to fill in, 1299 Long Pond Road. Between West Ridge Road and Mitchell Road.
Dispatcher Ridge Road command.
Command.
The plates are indicating 65 Hoover. Is that the address you're going to go with here?
It's close. I'm going to have to get back down.
Here we go. 223, command, we're approaching. What's your pleasure? Dispatcher Ridge Road command. 851, here's Fire Marshal 15 minutes.
23, just park right there for now. We're going to set up some multiple large lines. Report to 252 South Street at operation. 5 is on location.
225 on scene.
854, hold up on charging that hydrant. Okay, that hydrant on the corner of West Ridge is going to go in the quid. We'll stand by it that coming. Okay, I'll be back on it when you're ready. Command 250, you got a water supply yet? Yeah, they're going to get that hydrant off the ridge in front of the hotel right now. Okay. 235 to this. Normal tone for imminent collapse. That looks like it's going to be the Delta Alpha corner.
Advise imminent collapse at Delta Alpha corner. Imminent collapse at Delta Alpha corner.
2C35 to dispatch.
225 assuming command, 2C35 operations.
25225, 4. We got another change of plans. 223 is going to lay out to that hydrant, hope they close the street. So we won't be needing you to pump that.
Okay, acknowledge.
Overdrive command to dispatch, we're going to need RG. Electric, we have electric line down.
Carry it to the scene, electric line down. No, sorry. Patch it overdrive command.
Command on.
And the 1588 ETA for your electric and 20 minute ETA for gas.
Command acknowledges. Overdrive command to the dispatcher, I need one more engine to the scene.
Okay, overdrive command, one more engine to the scene, it'll be engine 10.
Affirmative.
258, 2C95 with 4.
254 to 252, we're ready to send you water. Send that water for the flight.
Respond mutual assistance to the Ridge Road Fire District for the working fire. 124 Hoover Drive between Baldwin Street and West Ridge will be for engine 10, battalion 2. Respond mutual assistance to the Ridge Road Fire District working fire. 124 Hoover Drive Street and West Ridge Road will be for engine 10, battalion 2. Come out 0410.
Patch it overdrive command. Contact on the 20 minute ETA for the regular inspection.
Command acknowledges.
254 to command. Engine 254 operator. We have two supply lines. We can hook up something else if you'd like.
Repeat your message.
We have two supply lines that we laid out so we can use if you need them.
Okay. Command acknowledges.
2524 will want to command.
Command number 252.
We have an inch and 3/4 and a 2.5-inch split. Both on the Charlie side operators. Both stretch off the fence.
Okay, command acknowledges.
Fire dispatcher to overdrive command.
Overdrive command.
258 on the way to the scene with 4 with 2C95, and you also got engine 10 and battalion 2 on the way.
Okay, engine 10 will be my red. And would you face for Ridge Road Fire Investigator?
Ridge Road Fire Investigator.
Operations at Charlie sideline.
Charlie side.
Line a little bit and go back to your right just a touch.
Alright, which line? Higher. Just a second.
You're knocking down the cruise on the Alpha Delta corner.
Okay. Did that get any better?
You're getting good penetration into that attitude. Pushing through the front yard.
Okay.
258 on scene dispatch.
58, you're on scene.
Command to 258, if you can go around Corona and Malden. Command.
Alright, we'll do that.
Command to Engine 10, if you can come in Corona Road to Malden Street and come in from the south.
Dispatcher to engine 10 on channel 4. Sorry, dispatcher to engine 10 or battalion 2 on channel 4.
Battalion 2 on.
Battalion 2. 2C25 is requesting you going from Malden Street and going from the south. Corona to Malden and going from the south.
Engine door on the back.
Battalion 2 acknowledges.
Oh, there's a lot of fires today. Also, do you want the elevator man?
Not enter the building.
I think now is not entering the building. Just open it up a bit. We're
Dispatcher 2C62?
254 engine to command.
Dispatch Hoover Drive command. It's been about 5 minutes for the Ridge Road investigator, no response at this time.
Okay, I have one investigator on scene. Let me know if we get another one.
We currently have one investigator on scene. We'll advise you if you get any additional. And dispatch Hoover Drive command.
Hoover Drive.
Lieutenant Johnson will be your second investigator.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.